But what I know is I'm feeling just fine. My life is like a red carpet, and I'm feeling like the richest millionaire. This is my local mayor, and I'm the biggest star around.
What's happening, fam? L.A.R. movement still moving. Subscriber died trying. You see the thumbnail, I'm about to be trifling. Simps sound like slam poets, boy. I swear y'all get on my nerves. Y'all so disingenuous. You know, I want to choke the life out of y'all. Y'all, my queen, sister, beautiful lady. If these men aren't emotionally intelligent and available for you to see, I will be your Ralph Tresvant, your man with sensitivity. You need a man like me. Yes, my queen. I understand that I have the uniform of a slam poet simp sucker. I got the beard with the skinny jeans and the feminine movements. And I will do whatever you say to do because I love you. Don't matter if I give you a baby or chlamydia. We shall talk about it. And you ladies will fall for the lies. Because I am brother of the pontificating knight. Yes, I'm the lie on your left side, trying to be the delusion in your right. What's wrong with y'all? Like, y'all get on my nerves. All y'all sound like, you know, a poet that says absolutely nothing. It's not that you're, speaking properly. No, you're lying through your teeth. You sound like a suburban gangster rapper. I got out my mom's BMW and sprayed the place. It's like, whoa, pause, player. Pause, slow down. Y'all was struggling. I only had an iPhone 17. Like, you're disingenuous. You're very, very disingenuous. All the relationship talks you have and you talk about, they all sound like fake news. Fake news. But you pontificating your life away. All of y'all sound like slam poets. You sound like you were once a guy who lived out of a hefty bag. And guess what? I didn't want a job because I didn't want to work for the white man. So what I would do was I would eat the box of women who had jobs that the white man gave them money, and I would be in their house cooking and cleaning ramen noodles, playing video games, and putting it down in the bedroom for 7 strong minutes. And I would tell them about all the potential of me getting on my feet and making it out in this world. Because I will protect and provide with these words. Baby, I can't pay the rent because the white man is holding me back, but I can put something on it. Just like tonight, when you get mad at me, I'm gonna put something on it. And y'all ladies y'all stay suckers. Y'all stay suckers. Y'all like, oh, it sounds so good, it sounds so special, it sounds so great. And then you getting guys who are becoming like red pill slam poets. You wanted me to be available emotionally, but what have you done for me lately? This is getting ridiculous. Like, it's really getting ridiculous. Like, you know, and all these people concerned about relationships. Can I just be honest? You know, relationships are a great topic online, but 90% of you people talking about relationships don't want to be in one. It's just talk. It's just some hypothetical, you know, metaphysical, egotistical BS. That's all. Like, so you having these conversations with women that you never gonna hook up with, and they having these conversations with men that they never gonna hook up with, and all you gotta do is lie. Do the what is that? The Derek Jackson car shoulder shimmy. That's just old R&B moves from the 80s and the 90s that you saw in videos. You know, that Jamie Foxx used. DJ, won't you play this girl a love song? Oh, that's all you're doing. Slam poets. She looking at me kind of hard, I can tell. Like, shout out to Jamie Foxx. I wish him the best. I hope he has a full recovery and can enjoy his family. By the way, but all of y'all are just pontificating. Y'all ain't saying nothing. It's I don't know how you look, man. Y'all make nothing sound good somehow. I don't understand it, and that because a lot of you guys, you know, y'all are metaphysical kind of male guys that you know. Baby, I cooked air bread and wind pudding with great spices of love. It was a meal from my heart. It's all I could afford because I don't want to work. But if you can feel the food, you can feel the love. But I hate y'all. I hate y'all. But y'all got money for weed, though. Anyway, man, I'm going to get up out of here, man. Tell me what you think. Like, share, subscribe, or die trying. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
You ever been at the top of the universe? I'm gonna say it to you.